Alright. What could it be, Darth? Open it up. What is it? What is it? What do you got? You're too good at this. Get back here. Oh, you got it. What is it? Is it a little rubber chicken? Yay. Now, Darcy, do you like your rubber chicken? Because 5 minutes ago it was whole, and now it's missing its leg. You want to get your chicken? Okay. Okay. Say thank you, Mom and Dad. Do you like it? Speak. Say thank you. Say thank you. Good boy. Thank you, Mom and Dad.